that over there?
What?
Are they allowed to ride it over there?
I stay in the grass because they.
Maddie!
Stay in the grass.
Maddie, go stay in the grass, baby, okay? Maddie, stay in the grass, okay? Because somebody might come out of there and then...
Oh, hit that concrete your head, be like a watermelon popping.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Get it going. Fire it up.
All right, hey, Sissy, Mommy's going to be in the garage painting, okay?
Okay.
And now you listen to these girls. They're your boss. And
Me too.
Christian. Okay?
Okay.
Go.
What?
I'm watching.
Say, go, Maddie, go.
Are you on video? Ready, Hudson?
All right, so you just punched the little boy out. There you go. She rides pretty good for a little kid. Suppose she rides a big one, real one. Carsu, say hi, Grandma.